Okay, here's another product I want to show you. It's an edge crack clamp with movable jaws that can be adapted to the arching. So this is a new clamp, so it's not there. We have to put still leather pads on here, but you can close them, fix these two arms, and then with these two screws you can adjust the height according to your table. So you can open it and put them on. No, I don't press too hard on this one because still the leather pads are missing, but here you can see everything is adaptable to your crack. Okay, with this system you can move the two parts up or down because you have all the screws that allow for this, and you can also move with these two jaws. You can move the table in this direction, and then for clamping in a parallel way you have this screw here with the two guides.